both sides here and then lay it. All right, so show you guys what I'm doing. Pull this up here, heat it up. It's gonna soften it up. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Saunders Lifestyle. Today's another day in the UK. So as you guys can see, I got the Beast right here sitting behind me, all washed up. Just got done cleaning it up. As you guys can see, it looks mighty good with the black wheels on there. There is some stuff I need to get done to it though. So when I took the stripe off, you probably can't see it in the video, but it's got some blemishes from like residue blemishes from where I guess where the wrap was at. So I need to buff that out. And I got it literally on the hood here and up there, so I need to knock that out sometime today. Maybe not, maybe tomorrow though, man. But let me know what y'all think, man. I think it looks good. It's all cleaned up, got the tires shining on the wheels and everything. Look pretty good, huh? I tell you what, boy, those Toyo Proxy stick though, was able to test that out today. But yeah, man, so what I'm gonna do, man, I brought you guys on today is I'm gonna show you guys how to tint some headlights. So I had some leftover tint in my garage. I'm gonna go ahead and throw that on the headlights, man, see what that looks like. I think since the rest of the car is all black and red, the tail lights are blacked out, I think I'm gonna go ahead and black out these headlights, man. So what I got here is I got some leftover tint that I had, some Vivid tint, and then in addition to that, I'm gonna use my heat gun and my handy dandy dirty glove. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to knock that out for you guys, put you guys on a stand, show you guys how I'm doing it. So like I said, just bringing another DIY to you guys on doing some stuff, some mods to your car. So if you guys have any questions at all, man, hit me down below in the comments. Go ahead and give me a like, comment, share at the end of this video if you guys can, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button, man. I'm trying to get my subscribers up. Slowly going, man, slowly growing. I definitely just found out about this whole short YouTube clips that you can do, the beta clips or something like that. So you guys are probably gonna start seeing a lot more videos coming off of that. Just normal day-to-day type stuff, man, just to show you guys what I see throughout the day, what I'm doing throughout the day when I'm not making longer videos. So stay tuned in, stay locked in. Let's go ahead and get this DIY started. All right, guys, so I got you guys on the GoPro headset, just so I can maneuver this a lot easier for you guys, so the way you guys can see what I'm doing. So the tint that I'm using right now is this Vivid Premier Tint Plus. This is roughly about a 20% tint film, so I'm gonna put that on there. As you guys can see, it's gonna go on just like that. So the key to this is making sure that the surface is clean, which I already made sure that was done. So I'll go ahead and just lay this on here real fast to show you guys what I'm going to do. Slap that on here, pull the backing off, and then just apply it like this, as such, right? So pull this off to the side. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my glove on. I'm just gonna start this off right here by just pressing this on here. You will need to have heat to apply this film. It is a vinyl, just so you guys know. So just gonna press this on with my hand and glove. All right, get this on there really nice. Make sure there's no bubbles in it. All right, then what I'll do is I'll take this, stretch it. But what I'm gonna end up having to do is apply some heat to it. So as you guys can see, there's tension right here, and then the way this light goes, it curves out like that. So I need to make sure I'm gonna heat it up, and then I'm gonna pull both sides here and then lay it. All right, so I'll show you guys what I'm doing. pull this up here, heat it up. It's gonna soften it up. I should be able to just stretch this right across it. So here, I'll take it right here and I'll just pull it, stretch it right across. So you see how that was just pretty simple to stretch on there? So it's easy to work with this vinyl, man. All right, so come up off the car a little bit here. All right, so what I'm gonna do again is I'm gonna heat this down here. That way I get a smoother deal on it. So I got a little rock chip right here. I need to pull that out. I'm liking that piece on there. All right. All right, like I said, with this, man, heat is your best friend when it comes down to it. So again, I'll heat this up. Oh, I'm pulling it off now, but I'll heat this up real fast. Apply that tension. So rounds really easy with that heat. Heat is your best friend, as I tell you guys, when it comes to this. All right. Heat this one more time right here. That off one more time. Stick that on the car. All that heat. All right, as you guys can see, I had to cut a relief cut right here just so I can get it laid down. So I started cutting the edges already right here just so I can get it going on that light. And then what I'll do is I'll heat this and press it up against it. As you guys can see right here, heat the edges. Fold right on the outside, right on it. Fold right up around it, just like that. All right, as you guys can see, I'm still working this right now. For the most part, it's pretty much almost done. Just need to make sure that the edge of this is really good, seated in there like it's supposed to be at. So I'm just going to heat it up. I'm going to use my finger just to make sure it's pressed up in there, right? And then I need to cut the rest of this off. Then what I'll do is I'll hit it with some heat. Then we should be good to go from there. So let me just go ahead and cut this out real quick. Just trying to make sure I ain't cutting the light. Alright, so as you guys can see, it's on there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit it with some heat real quick. Let me get this other tool I got. Alright, so I want to make sure I get all the edges in there good. So heating it up, and then I'll fold it in with this tool right here. So I'll press it in. Checking these edges up here. pretty nice. Definitely digging it. I think it completes the front minus the license plate. Got the whole black and red theme going. It matches really nice. So I'll let you guys give you y'all's opinion on it. Leave it in the comments below. But I'm gonna go ahead and give you this B-roll in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Man, so what y'all think about that, man? Y'all think it look pretty good? I think it stands out pretty good, man. My wife keeps telling me I should stay with the red and black theme, so I don't know, man. As much as I want to wrap it, man, it actually looks pretty good, solid red. So I don't know if I should get these Forgiatos, probably coat it in the torrid red color, and just do the whole black and red theme on it for now until I get it back to the States. So still debating what I'm gonna do. Man, I just seen I got a little small ding in the fender right here. Overall though, man, I think that red and black does look good. Y'all let me know, should I keep it red or wrap the car? I don't know. Should I keep it red or wrap the car? I don't know, man. That thing looks so good though, ain't gonna lie. And I'm digging these dang tires, man. These Toyo Proxies. If you don't know anything about these Proxies, boy, get these R888Rs, man. I'm sure a lot of you guys that race cars, man, know about them. I like them. I dig them. They stick to the ground for sure. They definitely hook. I'm gonna let you guys know straight up though, when it's raining, them tires are not made for rain though, that's for sure. But for the most part, I'm digging them. But yeah, man, that's gonna conclude today's video. Like I said, I just want to show you guys a DIY on how to tint your headlights. And give you guys one more good look at that, what it looks like. Golly, that thing look good, boy. Can't complain, boy. It look good. But yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and throw a coat of wax on it real quick. Of course, a bird want to poop right on the car. What the hell? Damn, look at it. Just cleaned it. Damn bird poop. But yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and throw a coat of wax on this. And then the next project up, man, the DIY, I have not complete with it, man. But as you guys can see, that Jag sitting in the garage, bagged out on them 22s. Ain't that thing look good, man. Keep debating if I want to paint it or just rewrap it. So I'm working on the bumper. It's almost done. I literally got the quick update, just real quick for you guys before I end this video. But I got the Bondo for the bumper. So probably start working some of that probably this evening. Probably bring you guys another DIY on that. Just me filling it. But as you guys can see, I did sand all those parts down. Fixed down there at the bottom in the center where it was a big old crack at. Big old chunk was missing right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably mess around with that today, this evening, after I put a coat of wax on the Hellcat. And yeah, I'm trying to get this car on the road, man. So I just need to get that bumper fixed. I need to fix this. As you guys can see, it's tearing right here, so I might need to rewrap this whole quarter panel. And then this rear bumper definitely needs to be taken off and redone properly, just like I did the front bumper. But then for the most part, that should be it, man. But I'm really debating, man, if it's like I'm rushing to want to drive it before the actual winter comes. But I might just end up pulling all the wrap off, man, and just maybe respraying it, man. You guys never know, man. So stay tuned in, stay locked in. If you haven't, go ahead and smash that button for me. Go ahead and give me a like, comment, share. Turn on all post notifications for any future videos, man. Other than that, it's Arnold's Lifestyle, and I'm out.